Hi, my name is Carol McKendrick and I am recording this video for the class Marriage and Family 150, and this video is about my career presentation. So like I said, my name is Carol McKendrick. I live in California, in Covina, California, and I am a stay-at-home mom. So for this particular project, I was researching on the things that the things that I can do, a career that I can find that will be flexible, because I do want to still be part of my kids, like taking them to school, dropping them off, and all that. So I was searching, and since I love working in the school, volunteering, and all that, I was thinking to be a substitute teacher. So the Covina Valley School District is a big district. There are about 11,000 students in this district, and we have elementary schools, middle schools, high schools, and continuation schools. I do have a friend or many friends that have been or are substitute teachers, and some of them like it really much because, again, they're moms and they like the flexibility. So they have recommended this for me, and I am pretty interested in this career. The work environment, like I said, there are about 11,000 students in the Covina Valley District. It's a big district. We have many schools as close as 3 minutes away from my house, all the way to 10 or 15 minutes. So the commute won't be that bad. The hours depends because all the schools start at different times. For example, the elementary schools start at 8:15 and they're done at 2:37. The middle schools start at 7:55 and are done at 2:47. High school, they start at 8:30 and are done about 3:30. Let's see. And the typical stressors. Well, if you want to become a substitute teacher and you're looking for this to be a steady job, then that will be a hard thing, because again, if you're a substitute teacher, you don't know if you're going to have a job all month, and it's kind of like a day to day thing. It's whenever they need you. But if the more places you apply or the more districts you apply, then you have a better chance of having a job almost every day. So that will be a big stressor if you are the one providing for your family, because you do want to have a steady job and you do want to know what days you're going to work. But for me, if I want to do that, I think it's perfect, again, because I am not looking for a full-time job. It'll be perfect as a part-time job. So the typical benefits of being a substitute teacher: generally there are no benefits for a substitute teacher, but in some areas here in California, they have a substitute teachers union, and with that union, they can help you get legal counsel if something happens, or to get sick days, and they even give you some benefits such as vision, health, and dental. So those are some of the benefits. And if you become a long time substitute teacher, after your first 21 days, the rate goes higher. So those are some of the benefits of being a substitute teacher. Let's see, some of the common tasks that you be in charge will be doing as a substitute teacher. Well, as a substitute teacher, you're responsible for designing and providing instructional experiences that will assist students, to have them progress. You're going to be in charge of them, of their emotional and their learning, and you're going to have to be in meetings with the principal. Also, that also depends if you're just a one-day substitute or weeks or a long-time substitute teacher. I think when you're a long-time substitute teacher, you have more responsibilities because you are in charge of the grades, you're in charge of meeting with parents and other teachers and collaborating and getting together the lesson plans and make sure you're following the curriculum. Let's see, some of the requirements. Like I said, here in California, you must have a bachelor's degree to become a substitute teacher. And on top of that, you have to take and pass this test called the CBEST. And when you have those two things, then you can apply to be a substitute teacher. But let's say if you want to be a substitute teacher for chemistry, then they require you to have certain things that prove that you are qualified to do that. So it really depends on what kind of subject you want to teach. For example, for me, I would love to teach Spanish or substitute for a class, to teach Spanish because that's my first language, and I feel really comfortable with that. Starting pay. The research that I did for here in the Covina Valley district, they start at $210 a day. And if you become a substitute a long term, after your 21 days or after your 21st day, the rate goes higher. So instead of being there, you getting 210 a day, you will get $250 a day. So for me, as a stay-home mom is looking for something to do, a part-time job, this will be perfect for me. And again, I can pick and choose what days I want to work. So this is the research I did, and I am really excited to apply when I am done with my degree and start this career, because I do love volunteering in the classrooms, and I have done that since my kids started kindergarten. So I hope this helped, and have a good day.